Hi, we're out in sunny Cypress, Texas today. It's a little bit nippy, but that's okay. I'll take nippy over a cloudy day any day. We're in a community called Towne Lake. Towne Lake is known for the boardwalk. The boardwalk has lots of activities for the family and for the kids. You will see that the restaurants, they sit on the waterfront, and it's a beautiful view, especially at night. Now, this builder we're going to be touring is called Coventry. Coventry has the home behind me that's called the Bradwell. The Bradwell, there's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It is a 2-car garage. It is 2,567 square feet. The start price for this home is $494,990. Now, the builder is offering some special incentives. If you stay till the end of the video, I will reveal those incentives to you. You will be very pleased what those incentives are. So let's go ahead and let's go inside and let's take a tour of the Bradwell.